Now then, in this video, this is our destination domain, and if we refresh this, we can see it's just a blank screen right now. And I've done that just as a security precaution, if nothing else. Through my file manager, you can see that I've got a blank index.html file in there. So we go ahead and select that and delete it, and come on back to our domain and refresh. You can see that this is what pops up when I don't have that blank index.html file there. So that's why I've got that there, or had that there. So at this point, where are we at on our steps? 5 and 6. So now we're going to upload our site zip file, and while that's uploading, we're going to create a new database. Let's go ahead and do that now. So we're in our empty file manager, and click on upload, click on choose file, and navigate to our zip file that we downloaded in the previous video right here. And while that is uploading, we're going to come on back to our cPanel control panel, come on down to MySQL databases, and you can use either one of these, the normal database or the database wizard. I'm going to use the wizard, it's a little bit easier. And we want to give it a name. You can name it anything that you want, and then click on next step. And now then we want to give the username any name that you want. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and name the user the same as the database. Then I'm going to use the password generator to generate a nice strong password. I'm going to copy that to my clipboard, and then check this box here saying that I've copied it to my clipboard, and then click on create user. Now I want to record that in a blank text document because we're going to need that here in just a second. So here's the password, and let me go ahead and record these as well. Make sure you don't have any ghost blank spots on either end there. Okay, so now then at this point, I want to check this box here to assign all privileges to that new user, and this also assigns that user to this database. Then we want to click on next step, and that's it. Ta-da, we're done. So at this point, step 5, we are uploading the site zip, and in step 6, we've created our new database, and we've noted the database name, database username, and the password for that new database. And in the next video, we're going to knock out steps 7 and 8. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.